Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong reaction video dito kay Senador SP Escudero, no? At kay Coco Pimentel. Alright, let's get it on. Intro muna tayo guys. Alright, isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Senate President Cheese Escudero openly welcomes the proposal of Senate Minority Leader na si Coco Pimentel to draft the proposed rules in impeachment proceeding. Okay, against kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Alright, panoorin po natin ang anong sinabi in discussion. Ang sinabi ni Escudero.
President Cheese Escudero openly welcomes the proposal for Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel to draft the proposed rules on the impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte. The Senate chief even thanks the Minority Leader for his willingness to take such an action.
Nagkita kami sa kapihan sa Marikina. And kaya niya pinanukala na ang huling balita ko ay willing siyang tumulong sa pag-draft ng rules.
Ayan, willing daw si Coco, no? Mag-draft ng rules. At ito ay hindi nila napagkasunduan nakaraang araw, no?
Na welcome ko ganyang alok na tumulong sa pag-draft ng rules. Hindi mahalaga sa akin kung sino mamumuno dito. Pero anumang tulong ay tatanggapin namin at makikipagman ang aming opisina at ang legal team ng Senado sa kanya kaugnay sa kanyang mga ideya. Sa rules, hindi ko kinahila. Dahil top notch si Coco, tama siya. Isa siya sa kukunting abogado dito sa Senado.
Escudero says he will instruct the legal team to coordinate with Pimentel on the matter.
Ayan, willing naman daw si Escudero, no? Na tumulong itong si Pimentel
Pimentel earlier expressed his willingness
sa kanilang proceeding sa against kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
to lead the drafting of impeachment rules through a special subcommittee, as recommended by Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino. While Escudero is open to allowing Pimentel to draft the rules, he still maintains that the rules are mere proposals needed to be approved in plenary by the impeachment court once Congress's sessions resume. Last week, the Senate chief disclosed the time frame for the impeachment trial against Duterte. Escudero proposed for the impeachment trial to begin on July 30, 2025.
Ayan, July 30, no? Ang kanilang simula para sa proceeding kay VP Sara Duterte. Alright, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again sa ating the next one. And peace out.